Cheap keto meal plans. Have you ever wanted to try the keto diet, but worried you will have to buy all organic, expensive foods? Worry no more. You can do the keto diet on a budget. Today you will learn about budget-friendly tips and ideas to help you save money on keto, keep your grocery bill low and be successful on the keto diet. Here is your brief guide to keto diet on a small budget. 1. Set a budget. Decide how much you want to spend and stick to that. You don't have to go broke or overspend to enjoy high-quality ketogenic meals. 2. Cook at home. Avoid eating out or getting meals to go. Not only will your wallet thank you, but you'll be in complete control over what is in your food, which will help you keep your carb count low and be more successful on your diet. 3. Forget processed foods. Don't buy pre-packaged or convenience meat and veggies. When you do, you are basically paying the store to do the work for you. It doesn't take long to do the meal preparation work yourself and you'll save a ton of money. 4. Stock up on discounted prices. Check out what is on sale at your grocery store this week or check out reduced meat and produce. Then plan your cheap keto meals around those items. If ground beef is on a great sale price, stock up. Eat meals this week that are based around ground beef. And then, freeze the rest. That way you'll have inexpensive meat in your freezer when you need it. 5. Buy in bulk and make a meal plan. It's usually cheaper to buy larger quantities. Plus you can freeze any extras. Don't waste time buying high-quality keto foods at great prices and then not use them. Make a meal plan and stick to it. If something comes up throughout the week, freeze any unused ingredients and make cheap keto meals with them at a later day. In conclusion, to set yourself up for success, create a meal plan, do price comparisons, and stock your pantry with bulk buys over the course of a few weeks. Planning for the changes ahead will help you succeed with your weight loss and keep your grocery budget in check. Kickstart your weight loss journey. Access all keto diet resources, tips and informational guides to help you out. Try keto diet today.